Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's Linux tip, we're going to look at the apropos command, a command that helps you to locate and identify commands even when you can't remember their names. The command uses information from the man pages to identify commands related to the term that you provide as an argument. Say you're looking to compare compressed files, but you're not sure what commands are available to you. You can use the apropos compare command to get a list of the commands in your system and a brief description of each one. Admittedly, that's a lot of options. Maybe you'll spot a command in the list that you've used before, or follow up by looking at some of the man pages for each command to learn some more. Some useful options for the apropos command are -L, -E, and -S. The -L for long option keeps the command from truncating the command descriptions to fit on a single line. They wrap around instead. And you can see we have a little wrapping around right there. The -E exact option tells apropos that you only want to see exact matches. For example, compress, but not compressed. The -S section option selects information from only the section of the man pages that you specify. Remember that there are 8 of these altogether. 1, general, 2, system calls, 3, library functions, 4, special files, 5, file formats and conventions, 6, miscellaneous, and 7, sysadmin commands and daemons. So if you only want to look in the 7th section, you might use a command like this. The apropos command can introduce you to commands you might not realize are available to you, and can even help when you can only remember part of the command's name. Like that. Well, that's your 2-minute Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.